Hi there, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will show you how you can get the most recent month's information as a part of your KPI. So if you have seen my previous video, what we have talked about is that how you can get the most recent year information into a text box which can be displayed as part of KPI to show the current year information about what is the sales for current year. Generally that's what management is most interested, and down there then you can show how it is coming historically along with the most current year. But in this video we will see how you can go ahead and try creating the information which is not only for most recent year, which is 2012, but for the most recent month also. Alright, before I move ahead, quick information that if you want to get the notification about my new videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that all the new video information will come to your inbox. And if you like my work and want to support me, then you can buy me a coffee to help me re-energized. Alright, so let's go ahead and quickly go to this getting the maximum or the most recent month information. So let's go to this expression which we created earlier. And what we created was that a set analysis where we said we want the year information for the maximum year. Let's try to do it for the month also. So after the curly braces I will just put month, or maybe what I'll do, I'll just copy this entire piece so that I don't have to write it again. Copy and paste, and I will write, just change it to month because that is what present in my backend as a field, month field. And if I click apply, it will not come. So there is nothing wrong with the expression, nothing wrong that we are doing. It's just that how the data is displayed, because month information is like redundant information for 2009, 10, 11, 12, and it is not able to identify how we are relating the month information to year. So what we need to do is do some adjustment in the backend script, and that is the most kind of a trick that we need to do in the backend to get the most recent month and year information into the KPI. Alright, so let's click OK, go to the backend script where we have written the master calendar over here. If you have not seen the master calendar video, I would go ahead and suggest that you should see this creating master calendar video before move ahead, and that is what I have explained this entire script in that video. So what we want to do is we want to combine month and year information in such a way that your field is giving us the most recent information. So for that, let's put a comma and let's get this year of temp date plus this month, so that year and month information is coming together, and as year month, maybe that is what we want to write, and save, and let's reload and try seeing that what happens. Click close and OK. I am pressing Ctrl T to go into the table viewer, and here in the master calendar I have the year month field which I just created. I go and preview, and here at the end what I have is the year month field. So for year 2009 we have added the month information which is Jan. So for all the Jan, 2009 has become 2010, and similarly for Feb, 2009 have become 2011 because Feb is basically 2. When you are adding 2 to 2009, it will become 2011. But that's not what we want, because it will not give us the right value. We are not able to clearly tell whether it is 2009 month 1, so 2009-01 or 2009-02 or 2009-12. That is what we basically want to really get the information there in the KPI box. So what we need to do in this case, a small adjustment again by going into the edit script, and what we need to write is multiply by 100. So what it will basically going to do, it will add 2 zeros to your year. So for example, if you have 2009, it will become 2009-00, and then when it will add the month information which is 01, it will become 2009-01, indicating that it is Jan. Similarly for Feb, it will be 2009-02. up till the December, which is 2009-12. So in that way, you are able to clearly identify, okay, this is for 2009-05, that means May. And we can tell it to our script or our data that this is how it is related to you, and give us the May information which is related to 2009 if that is the latest month in the data set. So I have just saved and I'm reloading and clicking close. Once it is done, pressing the Ctrl T again, and now if I go and see it into the preview, here what it is showing is 2009-01. Now this is more meaningful because clearly indicating that it is Jan. Similarly, if I'm going up till the end, it is 2011-09, indicating that it is the September for 2011. So that is why it was important to multiply the year information with 100. Clicking close here also, and here I am just changing to year month. Similarly here to year month, and removing this. We don't need this because we have both year month into this. Clicking OK, and now it is giving us the output which is 354709. So if I am hitting 2012 and let's get the field which is month and adding the month information, and December is the latest month, 354709, 354709. Perfectly all right. So that's how you can go ahead and create the most recent month information in the current financial year or the current calendar year. So that's I wanted to show you. I want to leave this video with a small quiz that what would you do when you need to do the calculation based on a quarter. So how you will adjust the script if you need to get the most recent quarter information in the current year. Well, please leave your messages into the comment box with the answer, and probably I will just in few days I'll create a new video on the same topic. So till then, bye bye.